Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about PLC GE programming that focus about the counter. Okay, for mostly we use two types of counter, counter up and counter down. Okay, and one more for totalize. Yes, I would like to explain more about the counter for ladder logic. Here is the counter up. Yes, it means that when we provide the input, yes, here is in the input. If we provide the input, it will count from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and for here you see R, it means that reset. Example, if the CV show 20, yes. If we push the button reset, it will reset to 0. Okay. So if we set 20 like this, the output will turn on when the counter is count to 20. Okay. So if 20 equal 20 of PB, then the output is turned on. Okay, so this is a up counter. Another type we use down counter. So it not the same as up counter for down counter, because down counter, when we first scan of PLC, it will start from 20 if we set the PB is 20. So when we provide the input for PAL input, the counter start countdown from 20 to 19, 18 until 0. Okay, and the output is turned on also. Yes, so it is the counter down. If we push the button reset, it will reset to 20. Okay, so one more time, we already use also for totalize. Yes, totalize actually it has input. Yeah, also we can write T-sec. Yeah, T-sec, it means that it will turn on and off, every 1 sec. And this is a RS. RS, and this is a HL, it means that whole. Yes, whole. And this is a totalize. Yes, totalize, and we can reset it for this one. And this is a not reset. Yes, cannot reset for this value. Okay, and this is a PB of totalize. So normally we should have the PB. Yeah, it will continue counting if we provide the PB. Okay, so that called totalize. So if we would like to clear this problem, we will go to write the sample program for test. First for up counter, second for down counter, and the third for totalize. Okay, so let's go. So right now we will use Proficy Machine Edition version 9.5. Yes, for create the sample project, and I will use the workbench, Proficy workbench, yes, for HMI to link the data from the Proficy Machine Edition also. Okay, so let's start for Proficy Machine Edition first, and I will use the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. Okay, so wait a moment for open the project. Yes, so right click here and then create the folder. Yes, we can write to counter, yeah. Counter program, yes, counter pro, and we can use the ladder, yes, count, we can write count, yes, okay, like this, and don't forget call this subroutine block to the main program, otherwise it's not working. Okay, so call count block count, right? Okay, so first we will create the up counter, right? So I can write the command, yes, we are learning about PLC GE counter. Okay, so actually we can use the tool chest, yes, we can use the tool chest like the ladder, yeah, instruction. So here you see the counter, yes, it has three types, yes, first down counter, up counter, and then totalize, yes. So first we will create the up counter, yes, up counter. So it is the input. Normally the input I use the NO contact, yes, for PAL for counting. So this one I can write up count enable, yes, up count enable, and here is the reset button, yes. So I will use the nominal open also. So up count reset, yes, up count reset, and this is the PB. Actually the PB we set to let the output is turn on, right? So example I set 10, yes, and then this is a name out counter, yes. So I can write counter 1, yes, yeah, counter 1, and this is a CV, yes, the CV, yes. So I can write counter 1 and score CV like this, and this is the output. The output is turned on when the count, yes, the counting equal the PB. Okay, so the output is turned on. So here I can write up count output, yes, up count output. Okay, I will zoom a little bit, yes, like this. Okay, so we can go to save and then download to our program, to our PLC, and then test for count up. So download, So wait a moment for first downloading. It is the basic program. So if we have the basic, we can do everything. Yes. Sorry. Start the CPU. Yes. Okay. Right now the CPU was started. Yes. So we can test it. Yeah. If I watch this one example watch, and I will use the watch also. Okay, easy to see the signal. Yes, so go to utility. Yes, and then drag and drop. First enable. Yes, second reset, insert counting. Okay, CV. Okay, this color easy to see. Yes. So actually we can monitor here. Yes, or monitor here. So when I press F12, you see the counting start count, right? Yes. F12 again, F12 on, F12 off, F12 on, F12 off. Until 10, the output is turned on, right? You see? Yes. You see the output is turned on right now. So if we continue to count, yes, the output still on, yes, it holds the signal. So if we press this button, it will reset to 0 and let the output is turned off. Okay, so it is the concept of up counter. Okay, so first when we provide the enable the input, it will count, yes, continue count until 10. It will enable the output and hold the signal, right? Okay, continue to count, the output still hold the signal. Okay, still on until we push the button reset. Okay, so it is the counter up. So we will continue to down counter. Yes, so I can copy command, or I can write one more for command. Up counter. Yes, and this is a down counter, right? So command down counter. Okay, so we can write like this, DN. Yes, DNCTR, it means that down counter. Yes, and it is the input, so I can write NO, nominal open, for input. So if we write the NC, we can also provide. Yes, okay, we can test NC. Yes, test NC. And for this button for reset, yes, I can write NO. So DN CTR underscore or ST, example reset. Yes, and this one DN CTR underscore in, it meant that enable. Yes, Example, I set 10 also for PB, and then counter 2, example, counter number 2, yes, counter number 2, yes, and this is a DN, counter underscore Q, yes. Let's see when I download the program, yes, which point difference between up counter and down counter. Okay, so let's see together. You see when I use NC, yes, it will maximum the number, yes. So we cannot use the NC, we can use NO, yes, for this context. So I will download again. So download. Okay, I will reset first. Yes, so it become 10, you see. For this one, if we download first time, it will show 0, but for this one it will show the same as the PV that we set. So if we set 11, it will come 11. Okay, so right now we can watch and start the counting. Yeah, it will count down from 10 to 9, 8, 7, yes. So when I enable this one, okay, 8, 7, F12, 6, F12, 5, F12, 4, yes, F12, 3, F12, 2, F12, 1, F12, 0. Okay, so when it count to 0, it will provide the output is turned on. Okay, so in this section we can use the comparison, yes, that we already learned in the previous video for start the output, another output for compare, yes. Example like this. Okay, I will outline first. We can write like this. First, you see here is the integer, right? So we can compare integer. Example equal integer. Yes, that's why I show and share about the comparison before learning about counter. Okay, so example, I enable this one and we can write like this. If counter equal 2, yes, example equal 5 or equal 2, it let our output, another output is turned on also. Example DN equal 5, yes, DN equal 5, and then the output, another output is turned on. Okay, like this. Okay, download. You see when I enable, yes, reset first, yes, and then when I enable this one, and then you see 9, 5, 6, 5, yes, you see if the counting equal 5, it let this one turn on, right? Okay, So we can use the comparison to start another output. Okay, so actually we can use like this for control another output if we want. Okay, so let's go to our step about totalize. Yes, totalize. Okay, so I can comment totalize. Yes, totalize. So actually we can drag and drop. Yes, so we can use the tsec for count. Yes, example tsec. Yes, tsec it means that turn on every 1 second. Okay, so it is the name. Example, I use the totalize one. Yes, okay, totalize one. We can press F1 for help. Yes, you see totalize RS, it means that parameter RS. Yes, you see enable the function block. Yes, RS and the whole. Yeah, it is the whole for AL totalize. Output reset and non-reset. Okay, for air we can reset and NR we cannot reset. Okay, and this is a PV process variable for totalize calculation. And this is a note, you see, if the value PV is less than the value of configuration parameter cutoff, yeah, cutoff, then the totalize is do not increment. So be careful for use this function. You see, if the value of PV is less than the configuration cutoff, yeah, where is the configuration cutoff? We can watch for configuration cutoff. Yes, you see here. Configuration cutoff. Yes. Configuration cutoff. Let's see the hell again. Yes. Here. And if the PV is less than or equal the value configuration parameter cutoff, then the totalize increase from the value of PV. Yes, it means it will start from the PV. Yes. Okay. So we can use the reset. Yes. Example NO total one totalize one underscore RS, and this is the whole. Yeah, whole. If we want to hold the value that it totalize, it can we can push this button. Okay, so totalize 1 underscore HL. Okay, mean that whole. And this is a PV. Actually, we can use variable for this PV. Yes. Example, our slide. Let's see our slide. Yes. Here we can use another variable. Yes. Example, total 1. Total 1 underscore PV. Yes. And this is a reset value that we can use this button for reset. Yes. So we can use the reset total 1 underscore air. Yes, you mean that reset, and this is a non-reset. Yes, so we can write an air. Okay, then we check the program has error or not. Yes, so no error occur. We can download and then test to see the principal working of this totalize. Okay, right now you see the totalize is not count. Although I provide the PV example 90, yes, you see not count because of the parameter is not correct, right? So if we would like to count this one, we must set the CT. Yes, first set the CT is bigger than 0. Okay, CT or RO. Yes, example I set 1 and this one set 1 also. And also this one RO. Yes, you see the RO. Example I increase to 50 something. Yes, it's still not count, right? FC I increase. You see right now the totalize is start count. Yes, so if I increase the PV, yeah, example 100, you see the counter is start count. Yes, start count. So if I freeze reset, yes, example I increase this one little bit. Yeah, and for this one default is 9999. Yes, like this. Let's see the health. Yes, for RO. Yes, you see it's rollover is default. Yes, 9999. Yes, 8 digit for 999. So we can write 9998 digit for default. Yes, you see right now it start counting, and totalize is have two. First is reset. So if I press this one for reset, yes, you see this one is come to 0, reset again, 0 again, but this one we cannot reset. Yes, you see start counting, and this one is a whole input. Example, we can push this one. Yeah, you see the value is whole, and turn off again, it will continue to count. It will calculate with the PB. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. If everyone have any question, please drop comment under my video. I will reply soon, and in the next video I will connect all this one to the Proficy HMI for test from the HMI SCADA. Yes, so I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my channel also, to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. Okay, so in this time I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.